Hello. In this video, we will import a terrain surface from a DXF file. Then we will create a slope model, perform the analyses, and review the reports. First, let's look at the terrain surface I prepared in ProgeCAD. To import the terrain surface, it must be created using only line entities. In addition, all lines must be placed on a layer named terrain. When these requirements are met, the terrain surface can be imported successfully. Now let's return to SETAF. I click the Import button and select the DXF file. The program imports the terrain surface and automatically creates the master region. Now I define two different soil layers. Then I assign the corresponding materials to each layer. Next, I define the groundwater table. This completes all required input data for the analysis. Now I move to the analysis section. First, I define the reference slip surface. I run the analysis and obtain the factor of safety. Now let's perform an optimization analysis for the same model. I define the optimization settings and start the analysis. The program generates multiple slip surfaces and analyzes each one. The results are listed, and the slip surface with the minimum factor of safety is selected automatically. Now let's generate the analysis report. The report includes the model geometry, analysis results, and all calculation tables. The optimization results are also included in detail. This completes the analysis of the terrain model imported from the DXF file. Thank you for listening.